Time is your most valuable asset. Time is your most valuable asset. Have you ever felt like your day disappears before it even begins? Meet Rohan, a 26-year-old working professional. He's smart, talented, ambitious, but still stuck in the same routine. Wake up, rush, work, scroll social media, sleep. Every day feels the same, like a loop he can't escape. He always says one sentence: I'll do it later, later. Never comes. Until one day, something happens that changes how he sees time forever. The missed opportunity. One Thursday morning, Rohan receives a message from his college friend. Bro, a senior from our college built a startup. He's hiring fresh leaders. Huge growth. Come today at 6 p.m. Rohan gets excited. This could be the opportunity he always dreamed of. But then he looks at his desk, piles of unfinished work. His manager gives him a last-minute task. He thinks, I'll finish fast. But distractions. WhatsApp messages, Instagram reels, colleagues chatting, notifications. Before he realizes, it's 7:45 p.m. He missed the meeting. His friend texts, Bro, filled. Maybe next time. Rohan feels a strange pain in his chest. Not sadness, not anger, something deeper, regret. Regret that he had the chance, but not the time. Or maybe he had the time, but he didn't use it. The stranger in the bus. Rohan sits quietly in a bus heading home. A 65-year-old man sits beside him. Calm, smiling, peaceful. Stranger, you look tired. Beta. Long day? Rohan nods. Without being asked, the old man says, You know, life gives everything back. Money, health, friends, but it never returns time. Rohan turns to him. Rohan, what do you mean? Stranger, smiling, simple. I've earned money, lost money, earned again. I've made mistakes, corrected them. But the years I wasted, I can never get them back. The saddest part? I didn't even realize I was wasting time when I was your age. Rohan asks softly, So what should I do? The old man looks at the sunset outside the window and replies, Value the hours, because the hours build your days. The days build your years, and the years build your life. Before Rohan can respond, the man gets off at the next stop. But his words stay. That night, Rohan can't sleep. A flashback realization. Scenes from Rohan's past play like memories. He remembers how he wasted time. When he said, I'll start my side project next week. When he spent 4 hours scrolling reels instead of learning. When he postponed gym for tomorrow. When he didn't spend time with family because he was busy doing nothing important. For the first time, he sees the truth. He didn't lose opportunities. He lost time. And time took the opportunities with it. The turning point. Rohan wakes up early next morning. He picks up a notebook and writes, How I spend my time is equal to how my life will look in 5 years. He creates a simple plan. 1 hour daily for learning, 30 minutes for health, phone off during deep work, 2 hours every weekend for building a better future, family time every evening, sleep on time, no pressure, no perfection, just progress. Small changes, big difference. Days turn into weeks, weeks into months. Rohan starts improving. He completes tasks early. He learns a new skill. His manager notices his growth. He becomes confident. He builds a side project. His phone addiction reduces. His mind becomes lighter. He starts feeling something new, control. For the first time, Rohan feels he is driving his life, not just sitting in the back seat. The return of opportunity. One day, Rohan receives another message from his friend. Bro, startup hiring again. Want to join? This time, Rohan is ready. He goes, confidently speaks, shows his work, presents ideas, and he gets selected. Not because he was lucky, but because he used his time well. The final message. Rohan didn't suddenly become talented. He didn't suddenly get smarter. He didn't find a secret shortcut. He just understood one thing. Time is life. Waste time, waste life. Use time, build life. He realizes money lost can be earned back. Friends lost can be found again. Opportunities lost can return. But time, Once gone, is gone forever. He whispers to himself. The future I want is hidden in the hours I waste. Direct message to the viewer. You watching this right now. You're just one decision away from changing your life. Not tomorrow. Not next Monday. Not next year. Now, start small. Use 1 hour wisely. Protect your time like your life depends on it. Because it does. Because one day, like Rohan, you look back and say, I'm thankful I started valuing time when I still had it.